Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ channel. I am CMA Akula Sridhar. In this channel, we are bringing you all the latest updates of government jobs in finance domain every week. So please like, share and subscribe, and let's begin and see what's all in there for this week. The first vacancy is from Bank of India for the recruitment of 79 credit officers. The education qualification asked either a CA, CMA, CS or any degree with 60% marks along with MBA or post-graduation diploma in business management or post-graduation diploma in management or post-graduation in business management or post-graduation diploma in business administration or post-graduation in commerce, science or economics. Friends, the upper age limit for applying to this vacancy is 38 years. It's a permanent post, friends, and you don't need to have any experience to apply for this post. The package would be around 5 lakhs gross as applicable to the junior manager grade scale. Friends, the mode of application is online and that is to be done by 30th September 2020. Next vacancy is for the recruitment of 3 posts of risk manager, senior manager grade scale 4. The education qualification asked is either a CA, CMA or master in finance with specialization in actuarial science and certificate in financial risk management from GARP, that is Global Association of Risk, or PRM certificate from Prima Institute, that is Public Risk Management Association Institute, or CFA. Friends, the number of vacancies is 3 as I told you. The age limit would be 38 years. It's a permanent post, friends. Friends, for CA, CMA or Master in Finance with specialization in actuarial science, you need to have 8 years experience, out of which 5 years should be in risk functions. And for the other category of education qualification, you need to have 5 years of experience, out of which 3 years in risk functions. The package would be around 17 lakhs and you have to make an online application by 30th September 2020. Next vacancy again from Bank of India for the recruitment of risk manager, middle manager grade scale 3. The education qualification asked is either a CA, CMA, CFA or certificate in FRM from GRP or PRM certificate from Prima Institute. There are 6 vacancies. The upper age limit is 35 years, friends. It's a permanent post and the experience asked is 3 years and out of which 2 years should be in risk functions. The package would be around 12.7 lakhs gross. Friends, it's an online mode of application to be done by 30th September 2020. Next vacancy again for the recruitment of credit analyst. Friends, there are 60 vacancies. The education qualification asked is either a CA or CMA with or 2 years full-time MBA in finance or post-graduation diploma in management in finance. The age limit is 38 years, friends. Again a permanent post. The experience asked is 10 years of experience as an officer in NBFC or financial institution, out of which 2 years in credit functions. The package would be around 17 lakhs gross as applicable to the senior manager grade scale 4. You have to make an online application by 30th September 2020. Friends, regarding this recruitment of Bank of India, if you want a dedicated special video on this, please comment in the comment box below. We will bring one video covering the entire recruitment advertisement in detail. Moving on, the next vacancy is from AIMS Deoghar for the recruitment of 1 post of financial advisor. Friends, it's a post on deputation and you need to have experience as an officer holding analogous post or 5 years in grade pay 7600 from organized account services or 5 years service at the level of deputy secretary at grade pay 7600 and having 3 years experience in the field of finance and account. Friends, the package would be around 23 lakhs and it's an offline mode of application to be done by 11th October 2020. Next vacancy is from National Company Law Tribunal for the recruitment of 16 assistant and it will be again a deputation post, friends, for serving government officials holding analogous post or having 6 years of regular service in level 5 or 10 years of service at level 4. The package would be around 6.8 lakhs gross. It's an offline mode of application to be done by 19th October 2020. Next vacancy again from NCLT for the recruitment of 7 posts of upper divisional clerk. The age limit is 56 years, friends. Again a post on deputation for serving government officials holding analogous post or having 8 years of service at level 2. The package would be around 4.2 lakhs gross. Again an offline mode of application. The document should reach NCLT by 19th October 2020. Next vacancy is from IIM Vishakhapatnam for the recruitment of Cadre 5 Finance, Accounts and Audit. The education qualification asked is any graduation, however preference will be given to CA, CMA, CS, CFA or candidates having law qualifications. There are 2 vacancies, friends. The upper age limit is 40 years. The nature of employment will be either regular or contract depending upon applicants. The experience asked is 8 years. The package would be around 6.8 lakhs gross. and you have to apply offline by 15th October 2020. Friends, the next recruitment advertisement is from NTPC BHEL Power Projects Private Limited, which is a joint venture company of National Thermal Power Corporation and Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, for the recruitment of one post of company secretary. The upper age limit is 32 years, friends. It's a contractual post and you need to have 1 year of experience to apply for this post. You will get a consolidated package of 48,000 per month, while there is a provision of 3% annual increment applicable every year. Friends, you have to mail to recruitment2020@nbppl.in by 10th October 2020 to apply for this vacancy. Next, a gentle reminder, friends, for those who have applied for SEBI Grade A officer exams and are looking for quality contents to practice the technical syllabus, please visit financemcq.in, where we are bringing the entire SEBI Grade A exam technical syllabus in MCQ format. We are bringing 2000 plus subject-wise, topic-wise MCQ questions to practice. We have added explanation for correct answers wherever required. Apart from these, we are also bringing 25 national level test series covering the entire technical syllabus for more and more practice. Moving on, the next vacancy is from Punjab National Bank for the recruitment of 535 vacancies for ranging from manager risk, manager credit, manager treasury, manager law, manager economics, senior manager risk, senior manager credit. The age limit would be between 35 to 37 years depending upon the post for which you are applying. The package will again vary from 9 to 13 lakhs MMGS 2 and 3, and you have to apply online by 29 September 2020. Friends, regarding this, we have made a detailed video covering only this recruitment in our channel Finance MCQ. So please do visit this video for more details. Next vacancy is from National E-Governance Division, which is under Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, formed under the Digital India Corporation. And the post is young professional. The educational qualification asked is master's degree in relevant subject, or BE or BA Tech, or 2 years PG diploma in management, or LLB or CA or CMA. Friends, there are 25 vacancies. The upper limit is 32 years. It's a contractual post and you don't need to have any experience to apply for this post. Friends, the package will be consolidated 60,000 per month. Friends, you have to apply online by 30th September 2020. Along with that, you have to email your CV and relevant documents to negdadmin@digitalindia.gov.in. Next vacancy is from Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change for the recruitment of one post of accountant under Group B category. Friends, it's a post on deputation. The upper limit is 56 years for serving government officials holding analogous posts or having 8 years regular service in level 2. Friends, the package would be around 5 lakhs and you have to make an offline application by 10 November 2020. Next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of 11 clerks, 11 upper divisional clerks. Again a post on deputation. Age limit is also same. However, the experience asked is SAS passed clerks holding analogous post or having 5 years regular service in level 5 or 10 years regular service in level 4. Friends, the package would be around 6.8 lakh gross. You have to make an offline application by 10 November 2020. Next vacancy is from Uttar Pradesh Power Corporation Limited for the recruitment of 102 accounts clerk vacancies. The educational qualification asked is graduation in commerce and Hindi typing with minimum typing speed of 30 words per minute. The upper age limit is 40 years, friends. It's a permanent post and you don't need to have any experience to apply for this post. The package would be around 5 lakhs gross and you have to make an online application by 27th October 2020. And those who are making the payment by offline mode, 2 days extra, that is 29th October 2020 time is given. So friends, again for this post also we have made a special video covering the entire advertisement in detail. So do visit the video for more details. So that's all friends for this week. Thank you very much for watching. Take care and see you all next week with all the latest updates.